Network, how to configure the Palo Alto firewall to allow local network access to the internet. You create new zones as follows. Create a new zone named WAN. Type layer 3. Next, create another zone named LAN. Add. LAN, type layer 3. Okay, I allow computers on the local network to access the firewall via web, SSH, or using diagnostic tools. Interface management. Name. Ping response. Pages. HTTPS ping response pages. Okay, next, you assign interfaces to the newly created zones. Interfaces. Ethernet 1. Type layer 3. Config security zone. IP version 4. Static IP. Add 192.168. 15.150. 24. This interface is assigned to the WAN zone. Next, to the LAN zone, Ethernet 2. Interface type layer 3, security zone. LAN. IP version 4, static IP, 10. 001. 24. Advanced other info. Enable local network firewall management. Management profile. WAN zone and LAN zone. IP address on each interface. Next, you configure default route. Virtual routers. Name VR1. Interfaces. Add Ethernet 1. Ethernet 2. Static routers. Name default route. Destination. Allow all. Interface. Ethernet 1. Next hop, IP address of the router. My firewall is behind the internet service provider's router. This is the router's IP address. Next, you set up the DHCP server in the local network, DHCP. Interface. Ethernet 2. Mode enabled. IP pools. From 100 to 200. Options. Gateway. Subnet mask. DNS. Secondary DNS. Next configuration, NAT. Add. Name. LAN to WAN. Original packet. Source zone LAN. Destination zone WAN. Ethernet 1 translated packet. Dynamic IP and port. Interface address. Ethernet 1. IP address. IP address on the WAN interface. Next, security. Allow internet access. Name. Source. LAN. Destination WAN. Actions. Allow. Save changes. These are the steps to configure the local network to access the internet on the Palo Alto firewall. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck.